God.
Well done.
Very heavy.
Imagine loading 50 kilos of wood on your back every day. It is sold in Konso. 10 beer, less than 50 cents of euro the bundle. Women daily carry long distances this weight home, which is necessary as cooking fire. The local NGO and our partner Konso Development Association has found an affordable way to reduce the cost in cooking fire by producing stoves.
Projects that are working in this Doha and the Kamele by supporting women is producing fuel efficient stoves.
انتي مخاو زايد تجكيدا يديني اودا بروسي اسكت قرايا لافتي اتوقتي لسامنا لافتي دسكت انا لافتي دسكت كوري كيسو سندو بيناي يدينga kanga yigara bano ora otobata gara kambano akhonzo qare qorunu qari birri amore ino qorunu qara birri janga kisi dinda qamani nori.
In total, there are 3 production sites with 35 trained women working 3 hours a day. 5 stoves result in one-day production, and until concrete dries and is cleaned, the stove will be ready for sale within a week. The price established is 200 birr, less than 10 euros for each stove. Local women not only save 50% energy wood, but also the 2 cooking areas of the stove allow them to bake their traditional injera flat bread together with all the cooking pot.
In 2019, we plan to just work with Waka Waka, and Waka Waka company just have a plan and interest to support 1% for the energy stove productions